All right, when we're thinking about tangents, we learned some properties with tangents. And we learned that a tangent shares one point with a circle. And we learned that if we connected this point of tangency to the radius, if we connected it to the center by the radius, this angle must be a right triangle. So if we completed the right triangle by adding in the hypotenuse, you can see that those two pieces would have been an opposite and an adjacent leg. There's the TOA for the part of the tangent. So we know we have a right angle, which means that Pythagorean theorem must hold true. So some of the tests we were given might give us something like this, 6, 8, and 10 over here, and ask us to prove if the line is a tangent. In order to prove if it's a tangent, we just need to prove that Pythagorean theorem holds up. And in this case, 36 plus 64 is 100, so it would hold up. Another thing that we learned with tangents is we also learned that if we had two tangents that connected at the same exterior point, we've learned that these two pieces must be congruent. And we proved that they were congruent by adding in each radius, so the two radii. We know that forms a right angle, this forms a right angle, and we connected it through to add the hypotenuse piece, which would mean that this radius is congruent to this radius, and we know that this piece here is reflexive. So by hypotenuse leg, these two triangles are congruent, which means that this piece is definitely congruent to this piece by CPCTC. So that was something we had learned along with tangents as well. To prove that you watched this quick video, please think of the TOA part of trig and start a phrase beginning with each letter. So I want you to write a phrase that has the first words, the words starting with T, O, and A. Let's see what phrases you can come up with.